everyone is aware of the high potassium content in bananas. Potassium is highly advised to treat muscle cramps because it is involved in all of the body's muscular activities. Additionally, the potassium contained in bananas is very important for the proper functioning of the heart, which can reduce the risk of heart attacks. Magnesium and phosphorus are two more significant minerals found in bananas. Our bones and teeth are made of phosphorus, which also help in the digestion of carbohydrates. Magnesium plays a role in cellular energy production and is crucial for muscular relaxation. It is typically advised for those who experience significant amounts of stress. Bananas are thus an essential food for the treatment of depression. It also contains a lot of tryptophan, a natural antidepressant that helps sustain serotonin levels in the brain and elevates people's moods, in addition to phosphorus and magnesium. Another ingredient in bananas that functions as a natural antibiotic is phytoalexin. Given its capacity to prevent premature aging, it is regarded as a potent anti-aging agent. Finally, phytoalexin also combats cardiovascular disease and inflammation. The banana is a potent ally for anyone trying to reduce weight. It makes us feel more satisfied, offers us more energy for physical activity, and elevates our mood, which can undoubtedly change when we first start a new diet. Here is a recipe for a banana drink you may include in your diet to help with weight loss. Ingredients: ginger powder, equal to half a teaspoon. 1 banana. A half glass of plain, natural yogurt without added sugar or kefir, yogurt prepared from goat or sheep milk. 1 dash of cinnamon powder. 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Juice of 2 lemons. Instructions. In a blender, combine all the ingredients. You should drink it every morning on an empty stomach, before breakfast. It is advised to remove the cinnamon and ginger from the recipe if you have hypertension, or at the very least, talk to your doctor to find out if regular use of these foods can exacerbate your current medical conditions. That's how simple it is. You'll improve your weight loss diet with a nutritious and delicious drink. Enjoy! If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips and recipes, subscribe to the channel.